So hello friends, today we are going to talk about all Scala. Okay, so whatever the problem that you have seen in my earlier videos, so in this video I am going to share some patterns that we have seen in Java as well. So similarly I am going to show you the things in Scala as well. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this is not needed. Okay, so let me open the Java as well. So in the Java, in the earlier video we have seen that we need to convert into the streaming, okay, stream of a string or a stream of object. That's the first task that we need to do. And how we can do that? If it is a primitive, then we can use the arrays.stream, and then we can pass the the array, okay, and that will going to convert into the string. So we have seen this, and similarly when we are doing the boxing, okay, so this dot boxed, so I have shown you that okay, so in that video I have shown you that this box is nothing but converting a int into an int stream, okay, to stream of integer. So that was the task of the boxed, and how we can create a map out of it. So then we need to do the collect, and then the grouping by. In the group by we need to pass the identity, okay, and then the counting, okay. So collect group by, I'll say collect group by, then identity, and then your counting, okay. So if you look at in Scala how we are doing it the same way, okay. We are not collecting and we are not doing the counting. Instead of it we are using the map values, okay. So we are doing the grouping, then identity, and then we are using the map values, okay, map value by length. So what happened is, for each of the element, let's say for Scala, it will going to create a, let's say, a list of Scala, okay, Scala and Scala. The number of times the Scala will be used, it will going to be inserted into the as a key, okay. So if we do the length, it will be 3, because Scala is coming 1, 2 and 3 times. Similarly for is, so it will going to create a multiple list, okay, using the group by, and in those lists, similar way in the Java as well, it will going to convert the group by means string as string, okay. So this will be Scala will be converted into Scala, and then later it will be doing it as a counting, but here we are doing it as a map value underscore length, okay, length of that list, okay. Let's move on. So we have another thing like sort by, okay. So for word count, because we have this Scala as 3, okay, so this is the output, and what I want is, I want to sort based on the value, okay, 3. So we need to do, we need to do is we need to convert into the 2 sequence, okay. So for doing that, okay, so let's print that first. What will that's value? I think it will going to create a vector, okay. So let me give this as another name, I think there is problem with the indentation. it will be ed. Okay, so if I run this, yeah, so we are getting, this is the first thing we are getting, right? So we are getting this as list of awesome 2. Okay, it will convert into the sequence of list of sequence. Okay, so if I do word counts, okay, so println, let me write it this way. Okay, so if I print this out, this will be, okay, sorry, I need to give it as plus. Okay, so this would be map view. Okay, this would be a map view. Converting this map view into the sequence, okay, of so if I, let me quickly do the, okay, so there is a way we can do the debug also. Okay, not sure why it's not working. It's supposed to be working. There is a run, there is a start debugging. Okay, so basically this is word count, which is map view. We need to do the 2 sequence just because we need to convert this map view into the tuples. Okay, so in the tuple, if we can do the sort by, okay, so if I show you ed dot to sequence, okay, so each element will be iterated once. Okay, so Scala, so this is 1, right? So this is 1, this is 2. So if I do underscore 1, it will be the awesome value. If I am doing it as 2, then it will be the number 2. Okay, similar way, this value will come and it will going to sort it by using the second value. Okay, now if I look at this one, this code, yeah, candidate, and there is an array that we need to define. Okay, let me see if we have that array. Where can I find that? Okay, yeah, we have this array. Okay, so the task was that we need to keep on decrementing the count of the candidate till we get 0. If we get 0, we will take the next element. Okay, take the next element and increase, give the count as 1, and then we will keep on incrementing if my number is equal to the candidate number. So candidate is initial value, I am giving it as -1 because I don't have any candidate yet, and candidate comma count. So this is mostly for the candidate and the count. So initial candidate is -1 and the count is 0, and once if we found that candidate, we will be giving it to the as a value. Okay, so let's say 1 will come first, so the initial value would be 1. Okay, and if another time if the 1 came, then we will increment that count, otherwise we will decrement that count. If that count reaches 0, I'll replace the number. So let's say in case for 2, it will be 2 comma 1. Okay, so you can watch my other videos if you want. Now this is the another good example. Okay, so what we are doing here is we need to find the maximum sum. Okay, maximum sum will be find out by maximum of maximum ending plus plus number. Okay, so maximum ending would be so initially I am giving it the value as 0, 0, 1, 1 will be my initial value for my execution, and then count would be 1, and so my maximum ending would be the same way, 1 plus number 1, okay, and my number. So 1 plus the next number comma number, okay, so it will be 2 comma 1, which is greater than 2, so maximum ending will be 2. So till now the sum is 2. Now the previous, now I'll check for the with the previous one. With the previous is greater, then I'll keep that value. So it's not greater because 2 is same as 2 is greater than 1. Then I'll pass the new array, okay, new changes. So result would be my new result, okay, whatever we have got it here, and maximum ending would be our new maximum ending, okay. And why I am doing this, because let me see the output. So let's see the output first. Okay. So if I run this, so it would be println, okay, so it's saying 15 comma 15, okay, because my new res and new maximum ending is 15 comma 15. So if I want to keep the only one value, then I'll do dot underscore 1, because this is a tuple, okay. Now I'll see the next element, which is okay, so I need to remove this one. So here we are keeping it as a initial value, we are giving it as 0 and comma empty map, okay, and okay, this is sub array sum. So if we get the value in the map, then we will going to do the index plus 1 till the end, okay. So for the I mean the element that we are able to do the sum for, let's say if I want to have the sum as 11 from an array, okay, so from which index to which index. So you can see my other videos, max sub array sum, there I have explained how you can find that value. But using the Scala, what we can do is this is the initial value, okay, current and previous map comma I, this is the index, it will going to come 0 1. So niche, I mean at the end we need to pass the incremented value, which is your new sum now, okay, and I mean updated map value of the map, which is a prefix map. So if we are able to find that value, we will going to show that. Otherwise we will going to check whether we are getting the target sum or not. How we can do that? We can using the new sum is equal to current plus AI, okay. So in the next video we are going to see for the Python. Thank you.